Last week there was a devastating fire in Nürburgring, to be more precise, at Nürburgring, one of the leading and longest standing rental car companies of the Nürburgring, and in addition also my ex-neighbors, because Vulcan Alpha facility was placed or located behind them, which was a startup location. Now I want to briefly address this event, if you may call it. I'm not there on location because I've been filming at Rimac campus, so there's going to be some very cool video involving Rimac and Bugatti coming up. But the main thing, everyone is okay. Some cars were lost in the fire. Renfering also shared a story saying that police is investigating the scene, so don't know what that's supposed to mean, but the main important thing is that everyone's okay. However, the only thing, or the major part of the building that was damaged, or let's say gone, was actually living quarters. And there was a family living that was working for or at Nürburgring that I wouldn't say close with, but their kid was always coming to Vulcan Alpha to check out 3D printers and hang around, etc., etc. And they lost everything in the fire. Now, since I know them personally, I already contributed to make sure that they can have a bit of a better Christmas, if you might say that, in person. But some of the locals of Nürburgring have also started to GoFundMe for them, because again, they've lost everything in the fire. Luckily, they made themselves out, and I would like to let you know that you can find the link to GoFundMe in the first pinned comment, video description, because this is messed up. Luckily, everyone's alive, but we've seen with these horrible similar kinds of events that the Nürburgring community is always coming together, and also in this case. So if you want to contribute, feel free to do so they can pick their life up again and also have a bit better Christmas. So that's all there is to it. Renfering has also mentioned that they will not miss the 2026 season. So maybe now that the Nürburgring dates are out, you can reach out to them, help them out by booking some laps with them, and that's all there is to it. So Merry Christmas, Happy New Year in advance, and now I guess enjoy the onboard, and soon something very special coming here. Bye bye. From a very big wing to a bit smaller wing. So yeah, M2. We have driven already a few of them, but this one has already a few mods, right?
Yes, but not serious ones. It has speed engineering wing, but now it looks like it has no wing at all after that one. And it has got air ducts for cooling the front discs.
Mm-hmm.
And the other are just visuals.
Okay.
I'm planning some suspension, but maybe not this year.
Yeah.
I think power will stay because with manual it's quite enough, I think.
Yeah. Is it so stock 450 or
460?
460.
But, as you know, BMW is lying about
Of
it.
course,
Yeah.
of course. It's like 500
Yeah,
in the real
something like
world. So yeah, pretty stock car. PS4S tires, because it might be raining sometimes. Always.
They are not great, really.
Yeah. And then on the inside, at least the proper seats for the track. So, and
Got
of course,
additional seats for the kids in the rear.
yeah, oh, that's cool. That's super cool. And of course, also the manual gearbox. So let's go and have some fun. Yeah. You're ready. We're on the track with lots and lots of traffic.
Yeah, unfortunately.
But yeah, it's a typical. I think the season starts coming because now it's almost June. It's mid-May technically, but everyone will start realizing getting their summer holiday. I think especially in a month time it's going to get really crazy, because usually after 24 hours of Nürburgring, everyone oh, Nürburgring exists, let us go there, and then it's until October you're done. I love the manual because the thing is, it has a lot of power and torque, of course, but the gears of M cars, of the recent ones, since the F series, even the 92, are so long, which make it actually like driving super easy because you do not need to shift a lot. So it's actually, I like it. Like even this is, come on, this is the second gear corner.
Yeah.
Usually it's third with any other car. So it's long gears, but you have good power band, unlike like Cayman GT4, for example, because Cayman GT4 has also like huge gears.
Yeah,
but it's
130 and second gear.
yeah, but it takes forever to actually reach the limit or whatever. So Yaris ahead is something else.
Yeah.
It's from Nürburgring, so it's very well prepped. But rental cars are always good. It's the driver that's the determining factor in them.
In this case, the driver is not limiting the car.
No, not at all. But then again, Nürburgring has a very good enthusiast group of clients who really know their cars and the value for money. In addition, it could be also Nürburgring themselves just testing the car, to be honest. it's the start of the lap there. It's not overheated, so it's like
Oh, you mean there? Okay.
yeah.
So I guess now with this setup, the limiting factor are the tires, right?
Tires and suspension setup, because it was really understeery, so the front is missing the camber, because there's like lots of weight on the front as well, and plus you have the wing but nothing on the front, so it speed engineering stuff works. It's, even though it may not be as big as ours, it works.
it's tiny in comparison to your wing.
So yeah, that's the thing. So optional front, yeah, camber setup and tires